Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Walmart promo codes in 2025. So in order to get it, you first have to come on walmart.com, and over here you just have to simply check whether there is any discount or coupon codes available here. Most probably you will find it on the home page, all of the latest deals. So you can just try to look at your favorite product over here, whether it is in the list, and you can grab if there is any discount or coupon codes available. In the second method, you can come on coupons.com website, where you can simply search for Walmart with the help of this search bar in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will see all of the currently working promo codes as of January 2025. Here you can see that total 29 coupon codes are available. So you need to simply select the coupon code in which you are interested and the one that you want to grab. After that, click on the C coupon right next to it, and then it will show you the coupon code in front of you. So this is basically the discount with the referral code. So let's say I want to avail another one, let's say this one. So this is the coupon code which you can copy from here, but before that make sure that you read the terms and conditions. This coupon is for new and existing customers, which is a good thing. Then you need to go on walmart.com, and at the time of checkout you need to use the promo code, and this way you can find the best working promo codes for Walmart in 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.